Welcome to ACHIEVER'S Academy. My name is Babs. Today we are going to be on the solution of the board about the question that was ordered me. A lot of students were saying the question was so difficult to solve and to tackle. But don't worry, Achievers is here to guide you. Now let's look at this question. The total length of a spring when a mass of 20 grams is on from its end is 14 centimeters, while the total length is 16 centimeters. When a mass of 30 grams is on from the same end, calculate the unstretched length of the spring, assuming whose law is obeyed. So, how are you going to solve this question? Firstly, immediately you see this type of question, the first thing you know, the topic is being confirmed. This is an elasticity when you obey the Hooke's law. And what does Hooke's law state? Hooke's law states that provided the elastic limit of a material is not exceeded, the extension of the materials is directly proportional to the applied force, which is F. Therefore, obey Hooke's law to calculate the unstretched length. To calculate the unstretched length so therefore Hooke's law is directly proportional to the applied force. So I can easily say that F is equal to K E, which is proportionality constant, where F is the what? F is the force exerted. Is the force exerted on the spring. Please take note of that. K. So F is the force exerted on the spring, which is into bracket F is equal to what? Mass times what? Times gravity. You know, we are dealing with acceleration due to gravity. So K, your K, which is the proportionality constant, is what? Is the spring constant. E is what? E is the what? Is the extension. Is the extension of the spring. Extension of the spring from its natural length. From its natural length. Now, since you have obeyed the Hooke's law is stated that provided the elastic limit of the materials is not exceeded, the extension of the materials, E, is directly proportional to the what? To the applied force. Now, the first thing you are going to do is what? E is the extension of the spring from its natural length. So I will easily say that let Y be the natural length of the spring. So now you have already made Y to be the natural length of the spring. So the parameters given are the total length of the spring when the mass of 20 grams is on. So mass 1 from mass 1, given that M1, my mass 1 is going to represent M1, so which is going to be equal to 20 grams. Are you there? So 20 grams, so this is gram. You have to convert it to what? To a kilogram. So which is divided by 1000. So 20 divided by 1000, I'm going to have is 0.02 kilogram. So mass 2, which is the total length of mass 1, is said of 20 gram is on. From its end is 14 centimeter. From its end is 14 centimeter. So the total length is what? Is 14 centimeter. The total length is equal to 14 centimeter. While the extension is going to be what? The extension, which is E1, is going to be equal to what? 14 minus, you know, say let y be the natural length of the spring. Let y be the natural length of the spring. That will be 14 minus what? Minus y, which is the natural length of the spring. If we are calculating the stretched length, so 14 minus y. So go again back to the question. It's like y its total length is what? Is 16 centimeter. When the mass of 30 gram is on from the same end. So I will make that one as M2. So mass M2 is going to be equal to what? 30 gram, which is going to be equal to what? 30 divided by 1000 is going to be what? 0.03 kilogram. The total length is going to be equal to what? The total length is what? 16 cm, which is going to be 16 cm, and the extension, which is E2, is going to be what? 16 minus y, because we are calculating the stretched length. So we have already said let y be the natural length of the spring, because the extension is what? Is the extension of the spring from its natural length. So now we can proceed. The next thing is what? You equate equation 1 in both of them together. So now from the Hooke's law, F is equal to what? Ke, which is proportionality of the constants and the extension. So what is F? Force is not given here, but you are given a mass. Force can be easily converted to what? Mass times acceleration, which is mg, is going to be equal to K into bracket. What is extension? In E1, which is F1 KE1. What is the extension of E1? Which is 14 minus y. Please pay attention to this question. This is a jump question. It's very easy. So, which is going to be, what is our mass? Our mass is equal to what? Is 0.02 multiplied by gravity. What is gravity? Since it's not stated, I will advise you to use 9.8. Please. Since it's not stated, you use 9.8. So 9 multiplied by 9.8 into bracket of what? K into what? 14 minus y. So which is going to be, let me take my calculator. Is 0.02 multiplied by 9.8. You have 0.96 into bracket of what? 0.96. Sorry. 0.196 is equal to K into what? Into 14 minus y. So that is for M1. So to check for M2 now, from this formula, so from this Hooke's law is obeyed. So I can F2 is going to be equal to what? K extension proportionality, the spring constant, is what? Extension. So 2. So now, what is force F2? F2 is what? 30 gram. You know, force is, you are not given a force. But force, another formula for force is what? Mass times gravity. So that is going to be what? Is 0.03 multiplied by 9.8 is equal to K into bracket 16 minus y. So which is going to be 0.03 multiplied by 9.8. You have 0.294. 0.294 is equal to what? K into bracket 16 minus y. So since we got this, I will make this one as equation 1 and this one as what? As equation 2. The next thing you are going to do is what? You divide equation 2 by equation 1 to eliminate k. So which is going to be, this is equation 2. So which is going to be 16 minus y over, what is equation 1? 14, k into bracket 16 minus y. So which is k into bracket 16 minus y is equal to 0.294 over equation 1 k into bracket 14 minus y, close the bracket, over 0.196. So please pay attention to this. So now to eliminate k, so that is going to be, so which is going to be equal to 0.294 divided by 0.196. In order not to waste your time, so you are going to have 16 minus y over 14 minus y is equal to 1.5. Is that not so? So the next thing you do, you cross multiply. So once you cross multiply, you are going to have what? Into bracket 14 minus y multiplied by 1.5 is equal to 16 minus y. So 14 times 1.5, I'm going to have 14 multiplied by 1.5. You are going to have 21 minus 1.5 times y, 1.5y is equal to 16 minus y. So the next thing here is what? You collect the right hands and you divide both sides. I mean, this one is not too big, so which is going to be equal to 1.5 minus 1.5y plus y, which is equal to 1y, is equal to 16 minus 21. So 1.5 plus 1, which is going to be minus 0.5y. 16 minus 21, you are going to have what? 16 minus 21, you are going to have minus what? Minus 5. Which is going to be minus 5. So you are looking for the strength length. Divide both sides by what? Minus 0.5 divided by minus 0.5. So 5 divided by minus 0.5. So this cancels this. So y is going to be equal to 10.0 centimeter. So that is your final answer. Therefore, your strength length is going to be what? 10.0 centimeter. So you don't have to waste your time just because of jam bites, and so many of Y candidates can even gain advantage from E. That is why I break it down to here. So as the jam bites, immediately you release the two slots together. Your next thing is what? Come to this place and loop and collect the line change, equate the equation together, divide equation 2 by equation 1 to eliminate k and get your final answer. So thank you so much. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.